Yes, good morning, guys. Today is Saturday. I got some order. No, I don't want it. So it's rainy. Too much rain. I've been experienced this week. A lot of rains coming in. You know what? I'm gonna wear mask. So, guys, it's 9 degrees outside. It's what time is it? It's 9:40 in the morning. So, yeah, I just started, but I don't get anything yet. So, I wear my mask because it's good for me and for everybody.
Oh.
Yeah. So anyway, let's start. So yes, guys, I changed my spot because I don't get anything in that area. It's now 10:10, so almost 30 minutes. I wait a good order, but I don't get anything there. So I got now order this steam Horton.
Wow! I feel
Yes,
good.
rain is getting heavier, guys. So it's hard to deliver now. Then the second order is $6. It's on my way to deliver it to the first order. So I got $17, so not bad. Oh, it's busy. It's busy, guys. So I have to do this one. I just pick up Uber. Thank you. Excuse me, sir. Yeah. Just pick up Uber. Sorry. Thanks. I get this too. Uber? Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Meanwhile.
Yeah, okay, so we're almost done. The other one, I'm gonna take this. Yes.
Just make sure the
Oh, this one?
make sure
5-8. Yeah. I get already. Okay. Yeah.
this bag.
Yes. Got the order. Yeah, so I've been waiting almost 10 minutes. Yeah. Rainy. Okay, got the order, guys. Hi, sir. Yeah, okay, yeah. Okay, enjoy food, eh? Yeah.
I feel good.
Yeah, it's coming. Morning. Enjoy your food. You're welcome. We got a second request with 2 orders. So I got ready for deliveries now. So it's what a bagel. $8 for 1.1 kilometers. But I got 2 order. After this, I have to pick up the juice, Forest Hill juice. That's near where I am parking now. So just plus $6. So it's $14 everything. It's very near too. It's 1 kilometer. So nice. Morning.
Hey buddy, how are you?
Good. You?
Good. Give me a sec.
No problem.
What's going on? What's the name?
Raining outside. Bet.
Yeah, it's raining.
Okay, guys. We're done for the first pickup. Yes, so I just slide it.
Head to your pickup at Greenhouse Juice Company, Forest Hill.
Hi, good morning. Hi, Uber pickup for Marisa?
Yeah, it's just right here. It's both the bags.
Yeah. Let me see. Marisa. 2 bags?
Two,
Okay.
yeah, these two.
Thanks a lot, eh?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes. This is for bets. Delivery for the second order. This order is $12.92. 3.4 kilometers. It's very good order, guys. Okay, let's green juice. Morning. Again, an Uber pickup, Carmelina. Carmelina. Oh. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You too. Okay, sun is shining. She doesn't have a buzzer. Yeah, how could I get in?
Nope.
Go.
Oh, hello.
Hi, it's Uber Eats. I can get it. The building. I'm in front of it. So,
Oh, yeah, that's because my landlord, my landlord is a piece of garbage. He
okay.
doesn't want to ever fix the door code.
So
I can just come down. Thank you.
So number 7, right? Okay.
Oh, yeah, I'm all the way up. Sorry.
Oh, no problem. Okay, bye.
I'm here.
Alright.
No
Nope.
problem. Okay.
Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome. Bye. Yeah, got it. We got our 4th order, guys. It's $10 for 4 kilometers. $10 for kilometers. It's very nice order today. I'm gonna Uber. Things that. Two bags. Thank you.
Make a left turn on Miller Street, then drop off.
She said, leave at door. Okay. Just excellent. Sit.